First thing, so many times I hear people say, oh, we just want a screed floor. And I always have to explain to them what a screed floor is. So please explain to us, what is a cementitious floor and mixed cement?
So mixed cement is a decorative cement coating that is applied over a screed. It is not the screed itself. So we've got two flooring products in the range. We've got Easy Floor and Signature Floor Coat. Easy Floor is our DIY friendly product. Signature Floor is a bit more of a trick to applying it, and it's I would say a calmer floor.
Okay.
Easy Floor has more burning or movement.
Okay.
If you look at the walls around us, these marks that you see, or even on the floor,
okay,
that's what we call burning or movement.
Okay, so Easy Floor has more burning or movement.
More burning or
and
movement.
And there's a DIY, and then Signature is more for, you get an applicator in to come and do it. Okay.
Yes. So the Easy Floor is also for an applicator.
Okay.
Okay, what we tried to do was improve on Signature Floor, getting the spread plates better, making the application easier, and also making it more cost effective.